Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here on my Razor dirt bike. We're gonna film a video on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, 2.7K, 60 frames per second, and stabilization. I can't even say it right, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing on this new Razor that I got for Christmas. So let's get it. Hey guys, I'm gonna lower this down just a little tiny bit so you guys can probably see. And let's go. Oh, I forgot, we can't go on these trails here. Hold up, because this is so heavy, so I can't even turn it. Dude, look at all this ice, bro. That's sketch. So guys, I want to test stabilization, so let's go on the turn. Okay. Yeah. Let's go this turn. Guys, I like riding on this ice here. Hold up. Woo! Oh, I can't. Woo! That one was a sketchy one. Ah, guys, this hurts so bad. Because I don't have gloves and these grips are really hurt. I'm gonna go back in the front. You know what? Let's go ride in here. Alright, we're out here, guys. We got the other Razor. This one's full. Okay, we're in here right now. I'm gonna ride this down and Neil's gonna ride the other one down. So, I'm gonna go put this in. And yeah, hold up. Let me turn it. Ooh. Oh, look at all this ice. This is why I'm so scared to ride. Right here. The suspension's so good on here. It has suspension. I'm surprised. Oh, here's the thing. So I'm gonna walk it right in here. I'm gonna show you the track. Here, I'll show you. So I just open that up. So you come around in here in that muddy pit, and you just walk. And you got this, all this. Look all around. This bike's so flit. Nice flit lit word. Okay, guys, look how far this goes back. The other one goes to here. I'm surprised. So we might do like a fast test and see how fast compared they are. So yeah, let's do it. Actually, guys, that one's like half battery, I think. So we should be good. So I'm gonna put the stuff on the screen. It says like how fast it goes. So we're gonna put that on real quick. And yeah, we'll do that. And then I'll do a speed test. So let's do it. Actually, guys, we can't do a speed test because,
I'm just riding.
yeah, we're gonna do a turn test. I mean, we can't do that. Neil's gonna do the turn. Here, hold up. I never wore this thing in a fat minute. What? You lost your hat? Dude, this thing's so easy to hit on this. I hate hitting these. This bike's so small, guys. Okay, I'm not wheeling. Neil, you want to hit the turn with this on? Woo! Hold up, guys. Let me see him hit the turn. Here, let's go. Huh? We made a turn? I got that too. So this is actually pretty fun. We like riding races. Alright, I'm going down. My GoPro fell down just a little tiny bit. Oh, probably like a lot. Dude, this is so mint.
That's faster than this one right now.
Huh?
I think that's faster than this one.
Yeah, because it's fully charged. You saw that, bro? Guys, we're gonna do a quick edit and I'll see you guys when we're back. Alright guys, let's get into the intro. Woo, let's go. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and I was